Yo, what is going on, guys?
In the south.
This is your boy Rish coming back with another video at the shop. Got my boy Joven repping the Rish shirt. Will help me out doing the coil job. Get to it. The BC Coils Extreme Lows finally came in here after like 10 weeks. Shout out to Heel Toe Man for sponsoring this video basically, because they supplied us with the coils. Gave us a nice little deal. Ball joints as well, because it's the only ones they had in stock is the 555, the Japanese brand. So it's a good brand. I wanted the center roll ball joints, but it was way on back orders, so couldn't do that. Do this for now. If you guys enjoy the videos, make sure you guys drop a like and subscribe. If you guys enjoy the videos, please watch all the way through and like the ads, because we're monetized now, so that'll be the biggest help and support for the channel. Appreciate you guys. Giveaway coming soon. Drop some suggestions. Just like that, guys. Yesterday we had to stop and put everything back together because the axle nut was like rusted shut on. As everyone knows, this big Milwaukee impact gun saves the fucking day. Shout out to my boy Tone for letting me borrow this, because I don't know how else we're gonna get it off. So we don't have any torches right now either, but yeah, I've taken these off so I could do the ball joints. A lot of greasiness going on, but you know, it is what it is. Alright, little update. We got both sides of the hubs out. Now we're working on the struts to get those out, and we're gonna put in the damn coils, get the front going and done, and probably worry about the ball joints after that, or maybe last, or probably after that, because then we have to drop the car and then go on to the rear and whatnot. Anywho, regardless, we're going through it. Gotta do my ball joints as well. Shouldn't be too bad. Bolts out from the top, and it's just one bolt at the fork, and it's basically out. So got my boy Joven on the other side right now, wrenching. Out with the O. So there's 3 bolts on the strut tower itself. Then there's the 2 smaller 12 mils on the strut bar. So then it comes out. So we got the fork out. As you can tell, got that fork out already because we got to put it onto the BCs. It's simple, guys. Whatever connects to it, you take off and re-put back on.
In the south.
My fucking brake pad!
Talking to the video now.
Right.
Oh shit. BCs, man. Start putting on. Get out my way, bro. Yeah. Looking all purty and shit. Let's compare the length. Tape measure anymore? It's about like a 3, maybe 3.5 inch drop from the stock. It's nice. I'm gonna drop it some more. Luckily, my fenders and quarters are rolled already, because this car definitely wasn't stock its whole life. It was lowered before and put back to stock and shit, so. I am doing the tie rods. It's going pretty smoothly so far. It went right to it.
Is that hurting your foot? Cause that shit. Ooh, I seen that spark too. There we go.
wasn't that bad.
So this is how we're pressing it in, guys. It's going pretty good.
It's coming through. My knees getting ashy from this brown.
No, they were just already ashy.
Oh, that's crazy. Ooh, that's crazy.
So we got one ball joint in. We're using this method, so honestly not as bad as we thought. We could easily kind of like bang out the ball joint and repress it in. I'm gonna have to get, you know, kind of tools myself.
Tools are necessary.
Yeah, all in due time, you know. We're doing this one, then we're sending this hub back in. The hub's back in the front because the coils are in there and just gotta basically just attach everything and whatnot. With the fronts, I kind of just put them in there. I didn't really adjust any height or anything, so I don't know. I'm gonna figure that out. All right, so we're about finished up with the coil install. It went pretty smooth for the most part, you know, it's not too bad. We're here for about like 6 hours. A couple more bolts and stuff and we're about to be finished up. I left it how it is. It's about 3.5, maybe 4 inch drop. 3.5 inch in the front, maybe 4 inch in the rear. I just left it how it came and I'll mess with it whenever because I just want these things on, let it set, whatever, and see how it's rocking. At least we got them on, guys. Like literally just got it the other day. Took 10 weeks to get here and now they're on. Big shout out to Heel Toe for hooking us up with the coils, giving us a real good deal on it. If you guys are looking for coils, go shop with them. Link's gonna be in the comments pinned, so go check them out. And like the fucking video.
Man, this is how high your shit was sitting before.
Literally.
Oh, shit. That shit.
Hold on.
Damn.
Oh, I gotta do one.
That shit look crazy. Wheels cambered in
Oh
perfectly.
shit.
They don't even rub. There's mad space.
I feel like right here is gonna rub a little
It
bit.
might a little bit. Because it'll take a big turn. This shit looks like a whole different car. Like it looks completely
That's what I'm
different.
saying.
Oh, get some wood.
Alright, so we're finished. As you can tell, you guys seen the drop. You like how it sits? Because I sure do. Like, and that we didn't adjust anything. That's how it came out the box. Now we need wood to get up on and off the lift. We that little boy lifestyle. This shit looks so sick. Bent over my engine bay, and I was like, damn, this shit is low as fuck. I'm not like hurting my kneecaps and all that, so I'm mad excited, guys.
It came out perfect. Sickest TSX out here, bro.
Yo, about to be, man. About to be the sickest, cleanest TSX NCT.
I love it.
Okay.